How to fill holes and cracks in a plaster wall. This has to be done before painting and is an easy job for anyone to carry out. You will need plaster filler, a roll of cotton bandage and protective sheeting for the ground. You will need the following tools: a triangular shave hook, a paintbrush, a stiff bristle brush, a tray, a sponge, a filling knife, 2 large plastering trowels, a sanding block, some sheets of sandpaper, and a pair of scissors. Cover the ground with the protective sheeting and tape it in place. Use the point of the shave hook to widen the crack. Scrape gently to make a V shape, then remove any loose particles. Brush the area vigorously to remove every scrap of dust. Wet the edges of the crack so that the filler bonds better. If the plaster on your wall looks powdery, seal with a base coat of plaster sealer. Spread the filler inside the crack and all around. Apply the filler at right angles to the crack, pressing down firmly on the filling knife. Work from side to side, ensuring the filler goes right inside the crack. Smooth the surface with a large trowel. Cover the repair with cotton bandage to stop the crack from reopening. Cut a strip the same size as the crack and place it on top of the fresh filler. Hold the top of the cotton bandage in place with the plastering knife and gently smooth the surface. Using a plastering knife, add another layer of filler along the length of the crack in order to bury the bandage. To remove an old wall plug, screw a cup hook halfway into it and pull to remove the plug. If necessary, wiggle it slightly while pulling. A little filler pressed in place with the filling knife should do the trick. Sand the area gently after 24 hours to flatten any bumps that appear. Once the cracks are filled, apply a coat of skim filler over the entire wall. Let it harden, then sand before painting.